भाई विंटर में क्या होता है पता है, हमारे थर्मल बस 30 डे रिटर्न देता है अमेजोन, लेते हैं घूम के आते वापस रिटर्न कर देते हैं, मतलब क्लियर
And
रिटर्न।
because it's inside, people can keep the tag on. I won't touch innerwear. What kind of an idiot would start that business? Bootstrapped with 5 lakh rupees still for the first 5 years.
Men don't like to look at मतलब other men on Instagram in underwear. So my business, unlike Vedang's, has been built on performance marketing.
We are a fashion business as such, but we don't really use the F word.
What is the effort?
The fashion.
Fashion, okay. You like t-shirts being the core and now moving into other categories. What's the market like? How big are you? What's Soul Store all about?
Random maybe
Big है, I was like, हाँ बहुत मस्त
शूटिंग है
हाँ
कोई लोड ही नहीं। Thank you so much for coming on the barbershop. Few things about the barbershop. It's one of the most unstructured discussions. People think that इसमें कुछ prepare करना है, like interview type को सवाल होंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. What we do as a team is we try to figure out what are some of the patterns and trends that you as entrepreneurs deal with / create. And then we try to string those together through a conversation that is more a discovery than it is a preparation. But yeah, break down the thesis of your business in the sense, and maybe this is a question for both of you, and maybe one can go and then the other, and we can see what commonalities and all of that. But market kya hai? What is your business? What is super differentiated about your business? What is the scale and size of the journey? Maybe there are things you may or may not want to share, but at least give some indication of how big this business has become over the last 2 years that you've been running it.
I think people who don't share numbers, I find it very weird because if your business can get disarmed by an MIS, I don't know if you have a business. To be honest,
People are really careful about this, no?
So that's one thing. भूल जाऊंगा.
But do share your
going to say something to compliment him.
Yeah.
I know what he's going to say.
Yo, मैं बहुत पार करता हूँ लगता है.
Finally, like I remember what you're going to say. That's the first time we spoke, actually.
That's the first time. And boss, this guy has no like filter of gross net. He just says whatever. We were on a call. इसने अपनी MIS खोल के मतलब
He had asked me, how do you look at your marketing costs?
हिचकिचा भी नहीं रहा.
And you could have been like a competitor also, right? I'm assuming you guys compete in some categories and so on also, right?
सबके साथ ही ऐसा करता होगा. I don't think I got a special remember. It's so fucking secure and transparent.
That's amazing.
You're a very honest guy.
I do feel like it's just okay to be open with your numbers. Like if someone knows your CAC is like X or whatever Y, it's not like everyone else isn't trying to reduce it. So then why don't people just like, if you ask me what my CAC is, I'm going to say it.
Yeah.
Because it's not like you're not trying to make it as close to zero as possible anyway, right?
Yeah.
And that is the funny part. So if someone says like, no, don't tell my gross margins and all.
Yeah.
Really? Like everyone's trying to minimize it anyway.
Yeah.
So it's very weird. I feel like certain things are just, it's just an industry and ecosystem that has made all of these things. But
Illusion of competitive advantage. People think that secrecy gives an illusion of competitive advantage, and it's a problematic thing. Like early founders, I don't want to tell my idea to anyone. Fuck, no one cares, dude. That idea 1,000 people would have had.
and people don't understand. I feel like both of our ideas are pretty average, right? So no one, बहुत average है तेरा idea, मेरा भी है average. Mine's slightly better.
Yeah. I mean, underwear is
It's all execution. Most things are execution based. Unless you have something which is really IP protective,
Yeah.
then get a patent or something, man.
I agree. I think in all of our businesses, patents are, it's not like pharma where a patent will genuinely protect and be the moat. I think for us, it will be probably
It's
brand
execution, man.
design
For
and
Facebook.
No, and there are two different things. In his business, it's staying ahead of the curve, which is part of execution
in terms of fashion.
in terms of fashion. And in my business, it's running depth more efficiently.
So what is depth thing?
I think his is an efficiency business.
Haan,
Basically.
mine is a-
Long and short, his is a very need to save rupees in this line item, that line item.
At whatever scale is it? Like it's not like you can
At
get
scale also it is like that.
at scale so it becomes an efficiency business, but let's say you're going from 0 to like 20 crores a year.
Yeah, so
तो 1-2 करोड़ करना है महीने का, तो तब भी efficiency business है. You think that
I don't think efficiency kicks in at low scale. तब की efficiency बहुत अलग होती है. But the kind of life-changing efficiency is very. So, for example, my business is a very ERP-friendly business. Historical data डालो सब जगह और आपको magic अपने आप आएगा. So I believe that eventually
More predictable for
it's
sure.
more predictable,
Slightly like yours.
and this is very rare in apparel. I mean, this probably is the only category in apparel.
In a barrel.
क्योंकि the sewing girls that sew our product in my first factory, आज तक वो वही प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं ना. अब वो आंख बंद करके भी सू कर सकते हैं. दैट एफिशिएंसी, दैट्स नॉट लाइक अ अरेंजमेंट एफिशिएंसी कि अच्छा इतना सब एक साथ कर. इट्स अ ह्यूमन एफिशिएंसी दैट नाउ. पहले दिन जब हमने चालू किया था तब वो 600 पीस बनाते थे, अब 1200 पीस बनाते हैं दिन का. वो कैसे आएगा? दैट फॉर हिज प्रोडक्ट जहां पे 2000 में ही स्टाइल चेंज हो जाती है, 2000 पीस में ही स्टाइल चेंज हो गई. It's impossible to build because everything's new. In women's ethnic, it's nuts. मतलब women ethnic चलाना is I think one of the toughest businesses. कोई है क्या?
Start an ethnic brand for men though.
हाँ.
But it's still.
I mean, let me paraphrase. Women ethnic में पैसा कमाना I think is the toughest. चालू करना आसान है. पैसा कमाना, I mean, there's no backward like. मैं जो आपको फैक्ट्री वाली सारी चीजें बोल रहा हूँ, हो ही नहीं सकती. स्टाइल चेंज होते रहती, कट चेंज होते रहता है, टी शर्ट फिर भी एक ही शेप का रहता है, प्रिंट चेंज होता है, उसमें तो टॉप ही चेंज हो जाता है. मतलब किसी में इधर चाहिए, किसी में इधर चाहिए. Damn tough to run operation.
But that's why that's why the gross margin is more rewarding. It has to be.
Yeah, it has to be. But again,
People pay for it.
Yeah, but you have to pay for it.
But eventually हो क्या रहा है ना कि consumer doesn't pay for it because getting entry into this, the entry barrier is so low, which is even from a manufacturing setup, इतने मतलब छोटी सी जगह में 6 कारीगर 6 मशीन पे लोग सेटअप कर देते हैं. It's like home cooks. तो एंट्री बैरियर है नहीं क्योंकि बड़ा केपेक्स चाहिए नहीं. तो कभी भी इतना डिफिकल्ट काम करने के लिए भी जो रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड होना चाहिए वो इंडस्ट्री में आता ही नहीं. विच इज व्हाई यू डोंट हैव अ सिंगल लिस्टेड प्लेयर हु हैज एवर टच्ड 20% EBITDA यार.
W and all was still an up and down story. I think. I don't know.
हाँ मतलब
No, I think like वो वहाँ पे भी इंडा से बिटता and all होता है.
correct. I don't. I'm telling you, I'm not commenting on specific, but बड़ा मतलब फट जाती है बॉस. It's a structure. ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब योगेश के पास 25 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है या हम कुछ सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. उसका स्ट्रक्चर ही वैसा है बिकॉज ऑफ द एंट्री बैरियर. बिकॉज everyone has an aspiration at a younger age कि मैं अपना एक बार डिजाइन करके तो देखती हूँ. And then you just require 6 carriers to do it.
Yeah.
And I mean, if you're still doing original thinking,
Yeah, I think there is a lot of designers.
ओरिजिनल थिंकिंग कर रहे हो तो दुनिया में किसी में भी पैसा नहीं. मतलब you're paying for thinking. So in this, if it's design and if your design is damn cool, it's catchy, कुछ भी प्राइस चार्ज कर सकते हो.
Yeah.
But to be creative, like again and again and again.
Very फटती है, dude. Like I think, frankly, I met even Siddharth was there with you, know, from Snitch on that panel or whatever. You and him had a discussion. I was not able to stay there, but even for him, like he speaks so much about just like constant, But so like I will come to you for the innerwear and then kind of how you've grown, but for you, like t-shirts being the core and now moving into other categories. What's the market like? How big are you? What's Soul Store all about?
So firstly, I just want to say like the thought has evolved over time. Just started with more basic thought of wanting to do something yourself, and now it's something else. I'll skip that journey. The biggest problem in India is most people don't create brands. I think they've created distribution. Like I've either had a lot of stores, and now new age brands are creating distribution with meta ads. No one's really creating a brand and something to resonate with. And if you go through all those acquisition channels and funnels and all, then retention, it's not making sense only. So we are very clear that we're here to create a brand. We're here to create something that's truly unique. And what I don't want to be is the something of India, the Lululemon of India, or the Zara of India, or the something of Uniqlo of India, or whatever. We want to be the Soul Store, which is something very unique. And because of that uniqueness, globally, we have a right to go global as well. Today, we are at about little over 50 crores a month with 10% EBITDA.
Well done, man.
Yeah. it's taken one.
No wonder these calls are stressful.
What stressful month था. सही बात है. तेरा स्ट्रेस दे दे मेरे को.
महीने का EBITDA. Seriously, yeah. There, I'll tell you a story on this. By the way, there's a guest we've had. Just hold your thought. Huh? There's a guest we had called Sanjeev Juneja. Okay, he's one of the OG brand founders from India, but not many people know him. He's very famous.
I feel that is.
हाँ, so he made this brand called K. His thesis is brilliant. He says कि भाई मैं ना 35 to 40 year old Indian male ना बिल्कुल insecure है और कुछ बात नहीं करता, उसके लिए problem बहुत है. I'll take his problem one by one and solve them. So first problem that men have is that they go bald, start losing hair. उसके लिए उसने बनाया केश किंग. ओके, ये लाइक हिंदी नाम डालूंगा उसमें और ऑफलाइन बेचूंगा होलसेल के थ्रू बढ़िया प्राइस पे. बिल्ट आउट केश किंग, स्केल इट टू 300 crores and sold it to Imami for like 1200-1400 crores.
You know what I love about it? That name describes everything.
Easily. यूपी बिहार में राजू श्रीवास्तव को वो ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बना के फार्मेसी में डाल के बिल्ट आउट अ फैंटास्टिक बिजनेस. Then like what's the second problem? Like, you know, piles and indigestion and constipation. So then he built out Pet Safa. Okay, then he built out Dr. Ortho for like
All the names are just so simple.
brilliant. Like he's brilliant. And then I asked him, how big is your business? So I met him and again, when you sell a business for a few thousand crores or whatever, suddenly you're a big deal. Like he's a lovely guy to like, he's got this gravitas and you know, he throws a party where he and his wife renew their vows every year. It's he's a lovely human being. Like कितना बड़ा है पेट सफा? 45 crore? तो यार should be bigger यार, मतलब इतना बस 45 करोड़. हाँ 50 करोड़ 50 करोड़ के आसपास होता है साल का. हाल अच्छा डॉक्टर और तो वो आई थिंक 30-35 करोड़ का होगा. मतलब साल का महीने का साल का. like, अच्छा मैं बोले थोड़ा ज्यादा बड़ा होगा.
Oh, you're talking bottom line.
पैट
You're talking pat.
I was like मैंने he saw the confusion, like मैं पैट बोल रहा हूँ रेवेन्यू नहीं बोल रहा. like रेवेन्यू कितना है. then this is the interesting part. रेवेन्यू कितना है तो वो नहीं पता मेरे को. ये रेवेन्यू है जो है ये पैट है. This is the number that matters.
That's the number that matters. And I think people forget that. And again, it's an ecosystem issue.
Yeah.
People forget that.
This is what the DCF guys needs ना for valuing a business.
Correct.
DCF में ये आता है ना. हाँ नहीं sorry. So 50 crores and 5 crores EBITDA, beautiful. And you want to be the sole store of India. So it's not like it's original
Yeah.
in the business itself and the product. Also.
Yeah. We are
And
super.
categories?
So started, I mean, if you want to go through the journey, started off.
बता दे कौन सी नहीं करते.
कौन
कौन
से?
सी कैटेगरी नहीं
Arey,
करते.
shut up. Okay. Innowear. I won't touch Innowear, dude. What kind of an idiot would start that business? We had tried Innowear. So we do boxers. I have fun printed boxers.
T-shirts, printed boxers, shoes,
Sneakers, everything I'm wearing, right? Like
trousers.
yeah, pants, jeans, everything. So the way we built it is
Perfume, dog capes.
dog capes nahi hai, is like raincoats for dogs.
So frankly, अगर store नाम है ना, so it gives you the license to kind of do
We are very
a
flexible.
bunch of things. Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't seem off to me. Like मेरे को लोग बोलते हैं बॉम्बे शेविंग कंपनी में तू women's brand कैसे बना रहा है या फिर तू fragrance कैसे बना रहा है. It feels like a dissonance for the brand.
Absolutely.
But with you, it's not the case.
So one of the names we were going to call it is Sleeves, and thank God we didn't take that name up because it's the most like narrowest name you can get, right?
Sleeves.
I got voted out, luckily.
But the brand, your branding and the entire identity is also, मतलब story तो है ही, but visually also it is very distinct.
Yeah.
So while you have a global ambition, the visual language is also distinct enough. Store पे ध्यान जाता है.
हाँ, you should see our Jodhpur store if you like.
We showed at the event, no?
हाँ,
I saw it at the event.
yeah.
Beautiful.
So
That visually looks.
and again, that's the license the brand has. Like, you know, it's very hard for a.
Hey, you guys are doing a
brand
fucking
with that.
insane job, by the way.
Yeah.
I saw that Stitch store in Bombay. I saw Mokobara store in Cyberhub or in Dubai. You guys in Jodhpur. New age brands, like frankly, we sucked at offline retail because we kept trying to copy what large HUL and PNG is doing. But new age brands are now figuring out that retail environment ko renew karna hai. So this is the way to do it.
Yeah.
People have struggled with this for a while because you didn't have the courage that Capex will come back to you, right?
No, we got the courage now because we've seen like it's come back 30 times, so it'll happen the next time as well.
Wow. 30 stores.
We have 40.
40.
So 34 are paid back, but the last 6 are just,
Newer.
yeah, they're 3 months, 2-3 months old.
Wow. But this is all in the apparel space. Like, or do you have stuff like for pets and
No. I mean, the stores are mostly apparel only.
okay.
The product market fit is very strong. So I feel like if I have to go through like basic thesis of how I look at the business, I think anyone should look at any businesses. First, when I acquire a customer, does that customer repeat? If there's no repeat at the desired gross margin, that too, then go back, redo whatever you were doing, again go down. Because until this retention starts to happen, I think you don't have a business. Because the first acquisition will never make sense.
Yeah.
Or you're not counting your branding spends in your acquisition costs or something like that.
Yeah.
It will never make sense. The only time it makes sense is your retention. Because if you take any MIS, the line item which will be like significantly different is the marketing cost.
Correct.
Which is only through retention. So until you get good PMF, don't like expand only. Don't spend on acquisition. Don't spend on growth, stuff like that. Otherwise, what people are doing is they are burning money and saying, "Look, we are growing," and then eventually, though, this will run out.
Yeah.
Because you don't have. And like for us today, if we switch off all our marketing is like about 12.5%, including photo shoots, everything.
So brand perf, everything will like
सब कुछ.
Tell me this.
अगरबत्ती का भी marketing cost जो भी हो. No, you know what I mean.
Yeah, but tell me, like, so what is gross margin?
About 61%. But one thing that we do is we write off 2% of our inventory, 2% of COGS every month,
Okay.
just as hygiene.
2% of COGS every month.
Yeah, just as hygiene.
That's 24% for the year.
No, it's 2% for the year only. No?
Oh, okay.
But वो pilferage के लिए करता हो?
Yeah, some defect. Some customer will say ये बराबर नहीं है, वो नहीं है.
बराबर.
Like even though we go through like our QC systems are, if the industry is at X, we are not at 2X, we are at like 4X. We do that much more QC, but still, like I feel like it's so manual that you'll still get some error, but mostly it is in our logistics only. There is always some loss going and coming.
60% gross हो गया, 2% let's 2% निकाल के 60 हो गया. 13% आपका marketing है, 47, 10% का EBITDA है. So 37% is what? This is like running costs, fixed costs, what?
Yeah, it'll be your fixed cost, it'll be your logistics cost. You'll have like your store
rent आ जाता.
Yeah, store rent and stuff like that also.
Interesting. So then now the idea is to milk this at scale. So the idea is to get from 40 to like 150 and
Yeah, now there's
simpler
economies of
expense.
scale. Now there's economies of scale. So because your fixed cost doesn't.
That makes the business a lot more predictable in a world where fashion is changing. So at least that access is kind of.
So I mean, I know we are a fashion business as such, but we don't really use the F word.
What is the effort?
The fashion.
Fashion, okay.
One thing that we are very clear on is that if we source a product, we want to sell it next year. Now, if you have this trendy stuff, right, then in 3 months it's gone. And like with your Instagram, that trend speed is so fast. We don't want to play that game because that changes the business model.
Playing that game. I mean, from my perception,
As long as it fits in like this one thing, like we'll have like, for example, linen shirts, something like what you're wearing, assume. But I know I can sell that next year. Because if you get something wrong, the next step is you have to discount.
so tell me something. How do you know something will not sell next year? Because it's super subjective, right? For example,
Okay, I mean, we make our mistakes, but
so for example, let me tell you.
we won't do like tie and dye. Like,
What
like
kind of, sorry, what was that?
There's,
these ombre
Oh.
shirts and all t-shirts.
Huh.
Like we won't go in like there was a trend where everyone was just wearing these different like colored.
correct.
And we-
Like color blocks तो but तुम करते हो.
हाँ, but वो काफी.
अगले साल
It's
चल
pretty
जाएगा.
core.
What is color block? Sorry, I'm
Color blocks is just like.
clearly not the.
No, I understand.
So it's slightly technical.
This guy also teaches me a lot of stuff. That dude, one day I just want to say, like he was at our office, and he's just like, he touched a bag. Huh? This guy makes like he touched a bag. He's like, Surat ka fabric hai. Like as if like he did a DNA test for that, bro. And I was like, I have no idea, dude. And I asked the person who's creating that bag, like, where's this from? And she was like, Surat. This guy's like bang on, huh?
Wow.
जैसे विस्की टेस्टिंग या वाइन टेस्टिंग में होता है ना, तो मुझे कपड़ा दो, मैं ऐसे टच करूंगा और ब्लेंड बताऊंगा क्या है.
Really?
Yeah, dude. We said, like, I asked him a lot of questions. Now my co-founder who does source
Yeah,
is
yeah.
bothered.
So now I chat with him. But look, I've been doing this like forever. और हम कोई भी फैक्ट्री में जाते हैं, कपड़े को हाथ लगाते जाते हैं. So I think intuitively, it's ingrained. मतलब.
Is your family also from?
Yeah. My family is also doing this. A different business. My dad does a very different kind of business, but at an early age.
Grew up kind of.
हाँ, everyone like no, the family is like mom and dad and me and my sister, but जितने भी आजू बाजू वाले भी हैं सब, all my like most of my friends, their families. So Surat is
It's an advantage. Yeah, the structural advantage is massive. No.
Yeah,
Surat
I'm
is-
jealous. I'm jealous.
Are you from like? Is your family?
Nothing.
Hmm.
We are. One of the advantages we have is that we. So here's the thing with
You don't have the bias.
I don't have the bias. Technical people now, and they get very technical and they add a lot of what they think is awesome.
Yeah.
Customers like, I don't care. and that's a very important role to play, that balancing act between what's actually good and
Such a good point.
like with design.
मैंने बहुत गलती की. For example, modal, which is our core fabric for our underwears, is 3 times softer than cotton. It absorbs moisture 50% better than cotton, which is typically no-brainer. India garam रहता है. Most of the country is hot most of the time. This is like life-changing fabric for India. अब इसका communication आया तो मेरे अंदर का वो
Technical.
हाँ 3x of tech.
No, but it's hard to build a business like us also. We are not a product that consumers will flaunt. Right? You're in the apparel world or in the where most like you will flaunt a soul store, like there's a clear design language and all of that. You're creating the design language, but it's a very personal product and it's like hidden inside, right? For the most part. So you're building something which is very personal in nature in an industry that is probably has purchasing
Once in a year.
mindsets that are kind of very very defined by this.
Correct.
So what's your market like? And I think you have
Boss, I'll tell you.
the incumbent is like a world class. Compare is like a world class.
That is the reason I chose and why I think innerwear is the best category. You can disagree, but I think it's the best category because
break that down.
because of the reasons that you said. कि कोई सोचता नहीं है, मतलब एक बार अगर उसको acquire करके like you wowed the customer, वो कभी और switch भी नहीं करेगा. So underwear, if someone's happy, it's like they will not switch. It is an automatic process कि हर साल 6 आती रहेगी, हर साल 8 आती रहेगी. ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं तो 3 नहीं आ गई. इट्स क्विक कॉमर्स के लिए परफेक्ट कैटेगरी है. Because of this low consideration is what you mean. It lends itself really well to be built at scale क्योंकि लोगों को choices भी ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए. लोगों को मतलब most of the underwear sales happen in 5 colors. 5 कलर में category खत्म. Now imagine last year.
Assuming you're talking men.
Men. I'm only talking men. So last year we sold. You will guess करो हमने कितनी अंडरवेयर बेची होगी. 90 लाख. 90 लाख अंडरवेयर बेची हमने लास्ट.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
मेरे को भी बिलीव नहीं हो रहा था जब नंबर मार्च खत्म किया ना.
That's wild यार.
अगर ये धंधा अच्छे से एफिशिएंटली स्केल कर दिया तो फॉर ऑल इट्स वीकनेस, तो फॉर ऑल द वीकनेसेस दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, इट्स डैम टफ यार. एडवर्टाइज ही नहीं कर पाते. मतलब अभी तो फिर भी ठीक है. सो माय बिजनेस अनलाइक वेदांग्स हैज बीन बिल्ट ऑन परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग. मेन don't like to look at मतलब other men on Instagram in underwear. So direct product तो दे ही नहीं सकता. इतना लो consideration है कि कोई vested interest ही नहीं है. like, किसको जाना जो है सही है. So for me, how much ever brand building exercise I would try digitally, उतना इंटेंट ही नहीं है. Now this category is like दिख के cool लगता है. मतलब oversized trend है. मतलब it's vanity. लोगों को प्रोजेक्ट होता है. इसमें तो प्रोजेक्शन भी नहीं आता. Hence it's a low consideration. So we build on performance. Therefore, crux of is a great product. अगर product अच्छा बनाया है तो आप acquire करने में थोड़ा खर्चा करो. And eventually you will get into the flywheel. And now we see that. Last couple of years, we cut marketing every year by 5 to 15%. पहले वाले सालों में 15 कट होती थी. Still doubling. मतलब my assumption was इतनी marketing हम कर देंगे क्या होगा. The biggest cut we took in marketing that year, we almost doubled. अब double नहीं होते, but marketing is reducing every year. Why? Because of repeat. क्योंकि वो flywheel में आ गए.
90 lakh underwear is like what, 10 to 15 lakh customers in the year? That's a lot. Yeah.
पक्का होंगे उतने. Average pack size is much lower. अभी भी इंडिया में 2.2
And channel structure क्या आपका
2.3
like I'm assuming this is this a category which will have
मैं ना इसमें
own
बड़ा
stores तो नहीं होगा
मैं
इसमें?
आपको बता दूं देखो मेरा theory you guys can validate so imagine like the classic four quadrants इधर है let's say frequency of purchase year to year and यहाँ से यहाँ पे AOV now all of us want high frequency high AOV
Correct.
वो business होते नहीं है मतलब medical और some of these categories में आपको मिलेगा then there is high AOV low frequency
Correct.
I think those businesses are very good for D2C. I'm just trying to assign a channel to this metric.
Moco Bara is probably high AOV low frequency.
Wakefit is high AOV, low frequency. तो आप उधर high CAC पे acquire करते रहो.
ठीक है.
But AOV इतना ज़्यादा है कि
You
आप
make money in the first order.
make money in the first and you are also able to beat others in getting the premium customer. तो आप देते रहोगे. CAC ऊपर चलेगा.
Correct.
Then there is high frequency
Low AOV.
but low AOV, which is where
Yeah, dream 11.
I think
We both are probably in that.
मैं तो लो फ्रीक्वेंसी लो एओवी में हूँ आप भी मेरे साथ ही हो सबसे घटिया क्वाड्रेंट पे
It's depending on that. Actually, you're right. On our trimmers, we are in a different quadrant in the shaving and everything. We're in.
But AOV, what is low? Like I think
मतलब 400 के नीचे
Trimmer will be high, razor will be low, and frequency like foam will be 6 times a year. So you're right. It's like
6 times a year is high.
हाई ब्रो इज हाई सो आई एम सेइंग अगर आप लो फ्रीक्वेंसी वाले और ऑर्डर वैल्यू में फॉल करते हो ना तो आप अपना डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बनाना अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाओगे
That's a good point.
तो आपको बोरोड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चाहिए होगा तो आपके लिए क्योंकि बॉस एओवी सपोर्ट ही नहीं करेगा आप स्टोर चला सकते हो हाई एओवी मतलब जो पहला वाला क्वाड्रेंट था अपना उसमें आपका स्टोर भी चलेगा D2C भी चलेगा एंड जनरली D2C चलता है तो स्टोर चलता ही है
Correct.
जैसे ही नीचे आओगे एओवी पे आपको डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बोरो करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि आपका इनफ वेट नहीं है एंड देयरफॉर लो फ्रीक्वेंसी लो एओवी इज perfect for quick commerce, perfect for marketplace, perfect for borrowed distribution.
How did Page do it? Page का क्या model था?
Distribution.
नहीं उनका borrowed नहीं उनके खुद के स्टोर भी थे was
Borrowed ही है ना। अभी तो खुद के स्टोर भी हैं, but the early journey of Pay and by the way, I think is one of the best run businesses in apparel ever in India. मतलब also they could. It's a very well run business. The amount of tech they've deployed front end, back end. Although I think some of that tech will become redundant for digital businesses, but it's an amazing guy to lead the category. Very disciplined, good pricing. I mean, very disciplined in how they approach the business, which is a big advantage.
I guess they've found the product love, no? Like once a customer gets you, like
It's the same thing.
I just want to keep buying that over and over again.
हाँ, तो
I'll just call this out first. First 20-30 minutes he was here. The amount he was just giggling and yeah. The moment you said, tell me about Innowear. Started as if it's a discovery podcast and then that one thing about this quadrant.
you just don't be the funny guy.
and
तो ये चाहता मैं खुश रहूं ये चाहता है
rewind it and just see how initially his voice was also so serious and deep and I couldn't stop laughing. I'm like, wow, you're doing like
They turn it on, no?
yeah, like this. Have you ever thought of marketing? Like you guys do a little serious marketing, you don't know the playful one, na?
What does marketing look like? I actually want to know what marketing for you. I think should be like is very clear because you're building a
Community.
memory structure which is clear about
Yeah.
lifestyle. What about you? What is marketing like? Clearly, Perf doesn't work. So
Perf works for the category, but I mean, what we are discussing as marketing is not Perf. We are discussing.
I think people
Okay.
come, yeah, they really like confuse perf and marketing, right? Like, and I,
when you said like you can't show ads to like
what I
an
mean by Perf is those display ads, क्या बोलते हैं उसको SPs, sponsored product ads, which is what I classify as performance. Anything that gives a visual clue or a video clue, I consider that as brand only. मतलब मैं वो आप चलाओ conversion objective से कुछ भी करो, but I don't think in the digital age like पहले होता था स्पॉन्सर्ड प्रोडक्ट ऐसे ऊपर ऊपर जाता था अब तो हम फुल वीडियो दिखा रहे हैं यार तो वीडियो से ज्यादा ब्रांड क्या होगा
correct.
सो आई थिंक इट्स ऑल जस्ट दोज आर परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग फॉर मी अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग इज
how
ब्रांड
much one customer ka average, what is it in like 12 months? How many,
So usually एक 1.2 का एवरेज आता है
Purchases.
हाँ परचेज
And 6, 5, 3 to 6.
हाँ हाँ 2.7 2.8 का एवरेज बैठता है बट ऑल्सो लुक आई एम अ फेयरली वाइड स्प्रेड ब्रांड इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्राइस पॉइंट्स तो लोअर प्राइस पॉइंट पे वो हमेशा कम होता है ऊपर वाले प्राइस पॉइंट पे
रिपीट जाता है।
हल्का बढ़ता है बट प्राइस मतलब इनकम के हिसाब से नहीं बढ़ता
And quick commerce, tell me about quick commerce. Like I remember people who say, who will buy underwear on quick commerce?
No,
And that
absolutely. That's the one category of apparel which will work on quick commerce.
And within 6 months, people are like, of course you buy underwear on quick commerce. Like people have changed their minds immediately. Yeah.
I-
That's from Niku Jai underwear. Like, of course, she does.
I think any category size constraint which doesn't have width will work on quick commerce.
100% सही
Yeah.
So books won't, for example.
Yeah.
Fashion won't, but the amount of money that's being poured into
फैशन ना
Fashion.
हाँ
What do you think about that?
Swiggy's doing
I don't like.
it doesn't work on you. Like like the business model, I can get into why it won't work. The issue with the thesis is the inventory, right? Like okay, let's take apparel companies that have succeeded. Most of them, his category is not typical apparel.
apparel yeah
Are D2C. Most apparel come at D2C. So if you take Zara, if you take Trent, take Manyavar, all D2C go colors.
Yeah.
D2C apparel success stories. The moment you have,
Uniqlo.
correct. The moment you have apparel inventory that needs to be distributed across, these distribution points don't talk to each other.
फट जाएगी
It breaks because the number of SKUs, the size width, etc. And I'll give you like a thought exercise to make it simpler. Like let's take West Side, okay? If one West Side is there and there's another, and the small gets over here and the XL gets over here, they can still find water level at the rate of sale. Right?
Correct.
Same thing with Zudio, same thing with us. Now, the moment you have dark stores across so many cities and within the city, so many different dark stores, to keep even like any apparel brand would have 1,000 plus SKUs into 5 sizes, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 also. So imagine just to get one piece of each to any dark store, it will fill up the dark store.
Yeah.
So it just won't work. Fashion can't work. Core products like
बट यू नो
a black t-shirt, white t-shirt.
हाँ
will work.
वो चलेगा हम बेचते हैं बट आई थिंक देयर माइट बी अ हैक ऑफ दोज सुपर स्टोर्स वेयर यू आर नॉट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग इट अक्रॉस 90 smaller stores
Then it's a warehouse.
then you have a super
Then it's
store
not 10 minutes. Then it's like same day or something like that. No?
yeah but
And same day, I think is NES getting solved.
Yeah.
You know.
yeah, the
whenever-
other big problem is return भाई you will not believe भाई विंटर में क्या होता है पता है
People.
हमारे थर्मल बस 30-day रिटर्न देता है अमेजोन मार्केट प्लेसेस लेते हैं घूम के आज वापस रिटर्न कर देते हैं मतलब क्लियर
And because it's inside, people can keep a tag on.
That's so interesting, यार.
और टैग हटा भी दिया तो अभी वो टैगिंग वाला काम चालू किया है एंड इट्स ओनली ऑन मिंत्रा अदरवाइज टैग निकाला है तो भी रिटर्न कर देते हैं और ठंडी खत्म हुई रिटर्न आ गया इमेजिन यार क्विक कॉमर्स
The whole category gets
every like winter like thermal category has massive returns and returns like it's visible कि भाई पहन के दिया
कस्टमर भी गधे होते हैं ना यार. हमने find
Yeah,
this
but I
horrible.
like
मतलब
our playing field is very different, यार.
I think ज्यादा स्मार्ट होते हाँ
Hey, this is bad behavior, no?
it is bad मतलब कस्टमर
This is bad behavior, right? Like what?
Yeah, but you can't blame the world you're in, na. You got to make
उसकी भी कुछ मजबूरी होगी ना मतलब I mean the income group etc wherever the college students for example
I like the college analogy. In college, I would have felt like I'm very smart for doing something like this.
हाँ डील मिलती है तो अपने बहुत खुश और सबको बताते हैं सब ऐसे कर
Yeah.
एक महीने का ही तो है, इसको रिटर्न करो तब तक दूसरा या
But it's an interesting thing.
लुक एज द ई कॉमर्स इकोसिस्टम इज आल्सो इवॉल्विंग ये सब कम होने वाला है अभी हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स आर यू कैन रिप्लेस साइज अप एंड डाउन यू कांट रिटर्न इस साल से एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगा
Even like with Chirag, he runs GoQuick. I think now the analytics on consumer behavior is so clear. Who's a well-behaved customer and who's not a well-behaved customer. I think within 3-4 months, brands will get to know कि ये order आया है, इसको like just pay the money back and don't fulfill the order.
या
This is cancelled.
या
Like coming to quick commerce, no, I'll tell you the issue. Like every time I ever feel that this business is not going to work, I end up feeling like a outraged uncle who's like
No, I'll
who
give-
don't believe in the new age and all. But I think with fashion,
See, if the consumer gets addicted to it, I think in the industry will have to adapt. Some one way or the other. That always is what it is, right? Like everyone will have to adapt. Yeah, I feel let's see. This is a hard execution game.
E-commerce has been around for a bit.
Yeah.
E-commerce ने fresh नहीं क्रैक किया कभी.
Yeah.
E-commerce से कब इतने साल इतने पैसे के बाद भी fresh with freshes like veggies etc. क्रैक नहीं हुआ.
Yeah.
क्योंकि उनके वाले स्ट्रक्चर में
Sometimes the business
नहीं सेट हो रहा. हाँ. So I think that जो ई-कॉमर्स को फ्रेश के साथ प्रॉब्लम हुई थी वो क्विक कॉमर्स को फैशन के साथ हो सकती है. Like none of us.
Some brands did. Like I think, for example, Chakradhar at Country Delight, for example, is cracked fresh through like D2C and own channels.
D2C.
ID, Mustafa with ID is cracked it. And
Yeah.
but you're right, the brand has to really focus. Horizontal innovation is not there. Although quick commerce, the add to cart to conversion is almost 50-55%. तो कस्टमर आके
Intent.
टमाटर आलू
High
प्याज
intent.
दूध अंडा दही ब्रेड ऐड कर लेता है तो उसको कार्ट आउट करना ही है. उसमें 5-6 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा है तो उसमें वो चार्जर लगा देगा या फिर फॉर सम पेरिफेरल रिक्वायरमेंट्स आता है, he will kind of put that in and that's how most of the carts are. Now fashion is a discovery process. The cart is not sticky yaar.
No.
Cart is not sticky, it's high discovery, kind of then
Yeah.
the
It's not high intent. It is you're flirting with like just going through.
अब मैं तो
brands
इतनी
and all.
फालतू की चीजें मंगाता हूँ ना.
Or QCOM.
हाँ.
Dude, you know, he said aloo pyaz you start with and you add your charger. For me, it's the other way around. Like, I will start with the charger and I'll like ask the help at home ki kuch chahiye kya?
see your household quick commerce baskets are probably like they start staple for
For sure, for sure, for sure.
I'm assuming.
वो चेक नहीं कर सकता. उसकी वो जो हाउस हेल्प है उससे बहुत डर लगता है उसको. चुपचाप जैसे जो ऑर्डर करता है आता है.
Yeah, man. She takes care of
वो
it.
सुन नहीं ले भाई, उसको डर लग रहा है. सही में. तो वन डे वी वर आउट फॉर डिनर, लाइक अमेजिंग फूड. नहीं मैं घर पे खाऊंगा. मैं बोला तेरी तो शादी भी नहीं, तू क्यों डर रहा है? हमको डरना चाहिए.
Oh.
नहीं दीदी ने बनाया. मैं बोला तू मना कर दे दीदी को कि मैं नहीं खाऊं. नहीं डांट पड़ेगी.
Really?
No, one sec. It comes from care. Yeah. Like she'll be like, hey, you should eat home, stuff like that. I'm like, yeah, I'll eat home. It comes from genuine care. उसको पता नहीं होगा ये.
हाँ भाई मेरे को तो डर पता है जो मुझे है.
भाई बढ़िया बढ़िया. नहीं, it's okay. And then now what does brand building look like at this scale for you?
Have you ever tried of like making innerwear funny? Because you don't do that, right? Like something like, you know, this underwear is for people with a slightly bigger tools.
Yeah.
Like, you know, that's
I love the synonym exploration there.
भाई
I went through many in that split second.
Sleeves.
अभी हमने एक like there were some women influencer talking about
Men underwear.
men underwear.
Nice,
That
nice.
con-
It's a good hack.
that content did I think I shared it with you. और हमको वो compliance वालों को नोटिस आ गया
क्या?
कि ये कल्चर के अगेंस्ट है.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
But from like a political party or like a official?
मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया but I didn't read through it but it was one of those affiliated stuff only. So but I mean not that I'm not going to do that more but I think so keep taking fresh cuts to the angle. Low engagement है ना, तो low engagement में you have to be distinct but you also have
Yeah, it's also a sensitive topic.
yes it's also but एक चीज बड़ी क्लियर है कि जो पहले चलता था ना which is masculinity at the center वो तो नहीं चलने वाला.
No?
Oh, is it?
हाँ मतलब for the younger
You mean like muscular bodies and showing like well-fitted underwear? Like that doesn't like.
Or I think it's
visually appealing.
at the core the emotion of
the emotion of a macho guy.
you know the classic आके मैंने 4-5 लोगों को मार दिया.
Axe ad. The typical axe ad. You see.
पूरा क्या हमारा तो पूरा कैटेगरी वैसे था. The entire category has masculinity at the center.
And
like this brawn masculine.
literally as well.
हाँ लिटरली मतलब उसने 2-3 लोगों को ऐसे डिशुम मारा और पीछे से एक सुंदर लड़की आके कंधे पे हाथ रख देगी फिर बोलेगी ये मेरा दिस इज द गाय एंड द एंटायर कैटेगरी वाज देयर. ऑफ कोर्स जॉकी वाज नॉट देयर बट जॉकी frankly is a premium position. I mean there's no
But they did the same thing. They didn't like if you look at static ads, it was a dude with like a white girl,
Caucasian man.
yeah, Caucasian man, Caucasian women. Like,
हाँ.
so like him for his choice.
तो वो वैसे ही चलता है बट नाउ विद द यंगर कंज्यूमर दे आर नॉट कंज्यूमिंग कंटेंट लाइक दैट. एक तो मार्केटिंग हैज चेंज नाउ. तो पहले क्या होता था
I love how marketing has changed. I find it better.
So
It's a better world.
काम तो वही करना है इवेंचुअली. पहले यार लेकिन 30 सेकंड का एड अनस्किपेबल होता था, टीवी पे सब पूरा बैठ के देखते थे। तब आपके पास ना एड कैसे बनता था कि प्रॉब्लम आएगी, क्लाइमैक्स आएगा, सॉल्व करेंगे, एंड देन देयर इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू वाव। अब क्या हो गया है हमारे सबकी स्किल पे एक्चुअली, वो तो हम करते नहीं है कि इतना बड़ा तो टीजी नहीं है, मतलब वी ऑल एलिमिनेट पीपल अनलेस यू आर लाइक यू नो स्टॉक, हाँ जिलेट, जहाँ पे आप आईपीएल पे भी वो वीडियो एसेट दे सकते हो।
Colgate can do that.
अंडरवेयर वैसे सब पहनते हैं, बट हमारा नीश मतलब इट्स 35 एंड बिलो। एज सुन एज आई गो मास एडवर्टाइजिंग, so many people,
You know, also like ASPs and like
yeah,
social
correct, but
economic and all of that.
वो तो फिर भी हम कवर करते हैं, that we still cover a fair bit, but you know the 45 or the 50-year old and above is not changing his underwear brand. You can't convince that person. It's damn tough.
Yeah.
वो जाता है दवाई की तरह लेता है, दुकान में घुसा, खट खट सीरियल नंबर बताते, मतलब कि ये देना 8008 दो, ऐसे लेता है और वापस आ
I
जाता
think like if one uncle in a walking group said, "Dude, I tried XYXX, best fucking underwear ever," every uncle will get convinced. But
But is it a word of mouth category?
है। No.
who talks about the underwear, dude?
I don't know, uncles who are walking. I don't know, right? Like
Right,
walking
right.
groups.
Yeah.
But what I was saying is what I like about the way like marketing has shifted. Before, all ad marketing is get a celeb to dance on TV.
Yeah.
Then I think
Impress the opposite sex and so on. Yeah.
yeah, now it's like people are like wo sab bika hua hai. Then it became wo sab bika hua hai, but the influencers are real.
Yeah.
Then everyone now is influencer bhi bika hua hai.
Haan.
Now it's UGC, which is like more
Yeah.
authentic. Like so, now it's now a lot of the current like people who find stuff, and we've seen that a lot of them are like, we don't do sponsored posts and all that, and I love it because what now like real feedback is now thrown across, and I think if you have a strong product, that's a
पॉडकास्ट उसके लिए सुनते हैं ना लोग। बहुत टाइम से हमने Q&A सुना, फिर अचानक से बहुत से पॉडकास्ट वीडियो, मतलब पॉडकास्ट हैज बीन देयर इन द यूएस टिल व्हेन आई वाज देयर इन द यूएस, मतलब बहुत पुराना है, आज का नहीं है, पर तब स्पॉटिफाई पे खाली ऑडियो होता था। जैसे ही देखा कि बॉस ये तो अनप्लग टाइप ऑफ वर्जन है, बट नाउ आई थिंक माय बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इज दैट कि पॉडकास्ट आल्सो हैज टू इनोवेट।
100%.
आई डोंट थिंक कि चलो पहले नया था इतना इनफॉर्मल सेटअप पे बात करना, नाउ यू ट्राइंग डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट्स, बट व्हाट आई वाज टेलिंग यू कि यार कंज्यूमर कितना ज्ञान लेगा, इतना ही ज्ञान लेगा, उसके बाद क्या करेगा।
Correct.
द फर्स्ट फ्यू एपिसोड्स में जो लर्निंग आई वो वाव थी कि बॉस ये तो कितना सीखने मिल रहा है हमको। नाउ दैट्स डाइल्यूटेड क्वाइट अ बिट। सो नाउ एज सून एज देयर वाज द WTF का फॉर्मेट चेंज, everyone lapped on because this is a more informal setup, the अच्छा format change है।
Correct.
I think the classic format of podcasting is become the now new interview,
Yeah.
and that also podcast also has to और अब सब यार जब वो नया था ना तब ओरिजिनलिटी थी, तब सब लोग अनप्रिपेयर्ड आते थे। इतने एपिसोड देख लिए ना, फॉर एग्जांपल तू भी देखता है, हम भी देखते हैं, इतने एपिसोड देख लिए हैं कि एक वो स्क्रिप्ट टाइप हो गई, अच्छा ये बात कर,
what
ये
kind of
बात,
podcasts I like the acquired ones and all, where they do proper breakdown on
That's
businesses.
crazy.
damn good.
I love those. Like that's
Very high research stuff.
I have the three C's: curiosity, creativity, consistency.
Yeah.
लिख भाई, बाद में नहीं बोलूंगा। I started to think about it as Gia was growing up. She's 4.5 now. My daughter.
Love the name. But
And it starts with curiosity, and we in all our businesses have to have that curiosity going. उसके बाद खाली क्यूरियोसिटी से नहीं होने वाला, और खाली वो जो बोलते हैं ना ऑपरेटिंग की हार्डवर्क से भी नहीं होने वाला। यू हैव टू सॉल्व क्रिएटिवली। आई थिंक क्रिएटिविटी इज वेरी अंडरप्लेड बिकॉज जनरली एज मेन ग्रोन अप इन
I think people think creative is
हाँ, बस फाइनेंस कितना क्रिएटिव है, फुल्ली finance, like there can't be anything as creative as an Excel sheet or a business plan which is 5 year forward. उससे ज्यादा क्रिएटिव तो, and literally depending on you can justify anything.
yeah, never let facts get in the way of a good story.
Correct. So I mean I think
I think I'm not the one raising money. I just want to say that very clearly.
For example, I've seen it's really interesting thing है, किसी को अगर 20 करोड़ रेज करना है तो 5 साल में ना वो लॉस दिखा देगा, सम ऑफ लॉस इक्वल टू 20 crores एंड इफ यू मूव इट अप एंड डाउन, यार ये अदब अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, व्हाटएवर, व्हेन यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग, अरे देखो अगर ये ऐसा कर दिया तो वो सम तो 12 crore हो जाएगा, तो मेरे को फिर 20 crore कैसे मिलेगा? द आस्क एंड द बर्न टू टोटली डिफरेंट, यू डोंट हैव टू लाइक मेक इट मैच. So funny sometimes.
Yeah.
If I have to raise money next, one thing I'll say is like, why do you need the money? My answer right now is to sleep better.
Yeah.
I'm just going to say, yeah,
100%.
it's the real answer, and it's like the business doesn't.
What are you going to need the money for? Like restorative sleep. Like, I need that number to go. And people do it. Like Silicon Valley, for example, is brilliant. Let's take rainy day fund. We don't know what's going to be the market with tariffs and this and that and pata nahi macro kya hoga.
Yeah.
Business longevity depends on being financially secure.
Yeah.
And the Mokobara guys were like, boss, we raised 100 crores from Sequoia, whatever. We haven't touched the money. So, and the investors are also cool only. ऐसा नहीं कि अरे deploy क्यों नहीं कर रहा है वो तो treasury.
I think this is new. Even the investors being cool about this is a new thing.
Bro, I have
Yeah.
benefited of having cash when you don't need it. तो मैंने भी छोटा मोटा राउंड रेस किया.
Absolutely.
मैंने बोला मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्यों रेस कर रहा हूँ, बट लाइक देयर इज नो बिजनेस केस टू रेस दिस, बट आई हैव अ फ्यू प्लान्स. आई डोंट नो व्हेन द प्लान्स प्ले आउट.
Because you don't want to be in a situation where you're looking over the shoulder and running fast at the same time.
I think the sexiest thing to tell an investor is, I don't want to race.
Quality of investors are also going up now, and if we have to last, like I genuinely believe that I'll peak when I'm 45. Career में मेरा peak आएगा जब मैं
I'm guessing you mean by like the time you give your business.
yes,
the
yes.
effectiveness.
not the age. So for me, so I think once you are 20 years into doing something, and मैं कुछ और प्रोडक्शन देखता था, सप्लाई चेन में टाइम लगा, ब्रांड में टीम, लाइक जस्ट मैनेजमेंट इन जनरल, फंड रेजिंग, सारी चीजें सीखी. बाय द टाइम आई हैव कंप्लीटेड 2 cycles ऑफ इट. इंडस्ट्री के थोड़े थोड़े मूवमेंट से कहाँ पे अपॉर्चुनिटी आती है वो गेज करना चालू हो.
That's a good point.
द ओनली अदर प्रॉब्लम इज दैट इतना जल्दी इतना घिस जाते हैं ना अपन, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फास्ट ट्रैक फंड. वी आर एसेंशियली डूइंग व्हाट, 15 साल का काम 5 साल बाद.
One thing I have that you all don't have proudly at the founders.
But yeah, you have a army.
When you're on vacation, you still look at your. We use Slack, so I still look at Slack every couple of hours. I will look at our sales every like 2-3 hours. I don't know. It's just a habit.
वो मैंने बहुत पहले switch off कर दिया.
I
Sale देखना.
I see it.
Sid doesn't. My co-founder, brilliant guy by the way. I think he's one of the best guys to run marketplace business. Extremely analytical.
How do you guys know each other?
Plus, I have had, not in the business sense, I've been extremely lucky, but otherwise, like of money or financial aspect or business, I was damn lucky.
I love people who say they're lucky because
They manifested, dude.
they are heroes of their situation and never victims of their situation.
वेदांत तू उसको एनालाइज कर रहा है. मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ उसको dispassionately.
I love it. I genuinely like it.
No, I'll tell you that you can put a analytical or a समझदारी वाला angle on top of this, but think about it. Arranged marriage. I said yes. We said yes in 2 hours. कुछ नहीं पता था. Value system of the family.
There you are lucky.
उधर पहला Sid and I met on LinkedIn.
How long back was this?
This was 5 years back. 5 साल पहले LinkedIn पे मतलब I was.
Oh, X-Factor is only 5 years old. As a
No,
business.
so he came in late. COVID के पहले offline expansion के लिए आया.
Dude, same.
So-
Deepak joined for offline expansion right before COVID.
And right had to become go for
They became co-founders.
because I think that's the real test, right? When offline isn't there,
Yeah.
if a person is going to take charge and do other things,
Yeah. That's such a good
Boss,
point.
I think Sid has forgotten how to run offline now. He's like a fucking online force. He's maniac, यार. मतलब
so he sees sales.
he says, and I cannot be him. Like it's impossible to have that kind
Hunger
of
is crazy.
fanaticism.
Deepak, for example, came in to run offline business. Suddenly, like, he would see कि this guy is managing all these people and doing a shit job of it. The finance मेरे को report करने बोल, product मैं ले लूँ क्या?
Hmm.
And you start getting involved in the business, not. And then suddenly he's like managing 80% of the business, and then suddenly he's like managing finance, and he's getting involved.
Third pivotal in the recent journey has been Manu. Boss,
Manu and you.
Manu had no. He was not the money bhai of today. He
Manu's a great guy.
I just landed. We were on a holiday somewhere.
You were in Bangkok. Don't say somewhere.
नहीं अबे जब मिला था पहले.
Acha.
Like 6 of us were in Iceland. We came back. उसके लिए नहीं बोल रहा था कहाँ से. And suddenly I have email from all large known that time के consumer investors. I said पता नहीं क्या हो गया यार, मैं तो जाके वापस आया उतने में. So one of our competitors were raising capital और सब लोग ने Amazon पे जाके देखा होगा और कौन करता है. And that's out their diligence. Everyone's. I had a message from Manu that look, I've invested in Epigamia, starting my own fund or something on those lines. Can we chat? I said yeah, sure. हमने रात में 10 बजे का कॉल शेड्यूल किया था. 9
की बात है
7 साल पहले या 8 साल पहले की. That call was scheduled for 40 minutes or half an hour, went on for 2.5 hours. Fuck. And both of us, एक दिन छोड़ के Manu was in Surat. In our, like उस टाइम तो छोटा warehouse सब कुछ. Harshita had got food from home. Harshita, Manu and I were sitting in our warehouse on a plastic and eating lunch, because जहाँ पे हमारा ऑफिस है सूरत में, उधर मतलब बाहर से इन्वेस्टर आ रहे हैं तो खाना नहीं मंगा सकता. इट इज एक्सट्रीमली स्पाइसी एंड स्टफ.
Fine, we all understand.
हाँ, so I got food from home and we were sitting there and eating, and boss, like there was no track record for me or Manu in consumer investing, and look to what it turned out. It was pivotal moment of my journey.
How was he able to as an investor? Like what was it?
I was the first investment.
How much did he put that time?
2 करोड़ रुपए डाला था. इट वॉज प्योर लक यार. कोई भी हो सकता था, कोई पेनफुल आदमी भी हो सकता था, कोई नो वैल्यू एड आदमी भी हो सकता था. नाउ हाउ डू यू एट्रीब्यूट टू एनीथिंग बट लक? तीनों जो मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिए, को फाउंडर कुड हैव टर्न्ड either way.
So I think luck is so very important, but I feel like the attitude is also very important to then take care of it.
I love people who think they're lucky. I think it's a fantastic, even if it is kind of, even if it is, you can attribute it to real life luck. But the fact that now you feel you're lucky, I think it makes your risk-taking appetite so much cleaner.
No, so अभी भी कितनी बार बड़ा रिस्क लेना होता है ना, तो मैं हमेशा आई गो बैक टू कि देखो मैंने हर्षिता ने 250 स्क्वायर फीट के कमरे से काम चालू किया था. इधर तक आए तो आगे भी जाएंगे, बिकॉज you're always sort of worried, and now after a certain point of losing. पहले तो कोई losing का worry था ही नहीं. I always go back and tell myself that look, this how we started, इधर तक खींचा है तो आगे भी खींचते रहेंगे. Don't you gotta back yourself, and you know people might think कि ये स्केल के साथ कम होता है. मेरे को तो लगता है स्केल के साथ backing yourself becomes even more important.
Correct.
Because now the stakes are not, पहले क्या होता है, नुकसान होता तो एक आदमी का होता है, एक फैमिली का होता है.
Now it's a
अब
lot.
तो यार इतने शेयर होल्डर्स हैं, इतने लोग डायरेक्टली एंड इनडायरेक्टली. बट अगेन आई गो बैक टू थिंकिंग दैट लुक वेयर वी स्टार्टेड, उधर से इधर तक की जर्नी निकाली है तो आगे का भी निकालेंगे.
What about you? What's your investment journey been like?
So ours is a little different. Also the same 100-200 square feet kind of stuff, but we were bootstrapped with 5 lakh rupees till for the first 5 years. We had made it already a 30 crore company with 5 lakh rupees. So we are hard into execution. Then our first investor, RPSG Abhishek, we were also his first investment.
The first one have something.
First one's a special. Yeah, we were also his first investment. And so he came and I think I've never taken the highest term sheet actually. I always taken the right people, because see that let's say if you are at 50%, you would be at 55 or 45. That's not as important as the absolute right value. And I think the right people can actually add a lot of value. All three of our cap table add a lot of value. Like we have RPSG. I love Abhishek. He's very. So what I really like about him is I think we both are very consumer insight driven.
Yeah.
And now consumers like an instinct, right? We've done this for so long. Like I understand what's going to work, not work. Then I was telling you, Chirag, I think is one of the smartest guys I know. He's just super analytical. He's he'll speak the most in maybe in a board meeting, but all of it is correct.
Yeah.
And then we have Exponentia, they're very mature fund and people. Even the young guys there, I think because of that are very mature. So they've seen cycles. So during bad times also they know कि यार ये तो cycle होते रहता है, up and down, up and down. Eventually the net positive should be up.
Yeah.
And they give you that backing. So I think like this is because like I'm lucky, as you say, that I have these 3 people who add very different value and a lot of value. I think at this stage, now you start solving for like least pain in a way. Like, you know, if recently an investor asked me, like, what would you want in an investor? And I said, least pain.
Hard hitting.
Yeah.
Yeah, and honest also, right? Like, dude, you know me.
Yeah.
So as honest as can be.
Yeah.
I'm on the face. So
Yeah. What about you? What's the cap table look like?
मेरे पास तो बहुत लोग हैं बॉस. हमारा fundraising journey has been a absolute roller coaster. So I have some of, like, I have Manu, largest shareholder, backed us every round till the last round.
Wow.
Every round. Very high conviction. Then we have DSG. So Hari sits from DSG.
Lovely.
Plus the combination is extremely mellow, extremely, and he surprises me the most. हर बार मुझे लगता है कि हरी तो ये approve नहीं करेगा. He's very conservative, you know, very calculated. And he's like, no man, it makes sense. And I'm like, fuck, I just made a very big picture in my head कि इतनी सारी चीजें बोलनी पड़ेगी हरी को convince करने के लिए. I think the most underrated investor, and I don't think you guys have worked with Ashwin of Anicut.
Oh, is it?
Boss, I remember one very like photographic memory. I was under a flyover driving my car. I had a very tough fundraising round, and I know the guy was not of my liking. And वो signs देने लग गए थे पेन के. And I called Ashwin and I said कि इसके साथ काम नहीं करना मुझे. मेरे को नहीं सही लग रहा. I didn't have my competitor backed by the most reputed consumer investor in the country. बाकी सबकी तो वैसे ही फट गई कि the best guys put money somewhere else. मेरे को कैसे and competing मतलब like to like businesses. And Ashwin told me that day, तू टेंशन मत ले, पैसा कुछ अपन मैनेज कर. Business had grown 2x by then, so very good spot in terms of the business and how I operated, etc. He said, tension mat le. I still remember that till today, that there was one guy who just, मेरे को उसके पैसे की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. Funnily, things played out in an amicable fashion. I never took that money from Ashwin, but just knowing that this guy is there.
Yeah.
And gives me the mental freedom of not getting cornered, of not getting into. It was such a one of the most memorable moment in my fundraising journey. बस उसके पास भी शायद पैसा नहीं था. उसको नहीं पता था वो कैसे हेल्प करेगा. बट उसको मेरा दर्द समझ आ रहा था और उसने बोला कि आप सर टेंशन मत लो, मना कर दो उसको, हम फिगर आउट कर लेंगे.
true colors are during bad times.
Bad times.
हम फिगर एंड उसको कोई पॉडकास्ट में नहीं देखा होगा, कोई इवेंट में नहीं देखा होगा. Like, you know how you always learn from people. Sometimes you learn what not to do, sometimes you learn what to do.
That's amazing. I think that you're right. I think investor value adds always happen in moments. They never happen in windows of time. Like in bad
People's app value adds also, you can say.
Yes, like there are no. But for example, with friendship, sometimes you're going through a tough phase.
Yeah.
And friends are with you for the phase, right? I think with investors, there are like moments, right? Like this one, for example, I remember once, Nikhil Vora, I remember we were going through a fundraise where ulta tha thoda situation. This is a heyday of 2021. We had more money than we had kind of. So we have not had an easy fundraising journey, and our cap table is a very weird motley crew of people, right? There are two huge strategic investors in what invested very early in us. Then there is Sixth Sense, which is like the VC. Then there is Malabar, which is like a public market fund for the most part. There's Gulf Islamic. There is, Patni, which is a family office. And there are 25 angels from McKinsey, right? So, बहुत ही अलग-अलग प्रकार के लोग हैं which have kind of come together and it's amazing, right? And in 21, we were getting a lot more money than we wanted to raise. So, काफी secondary करना पड़ा था. And founders को लगता है ना कि यार खुद का secondary नहीं करना चाहिए, फिर करोगे तो लोग क्या बोलेंगे उसके बारे में. I remember having a discussion with Nikhil कि we are trying to structure this round. I know we're doing some ESOPs. I know I'm selling some amount, and I wanted to tell him that I'm happy to create some liquidity for myself and so on, but I don't ever want this to look like my skin in the game is going lower. So he looked back. I remember him telling me very clearly, I like rich promoters. I like rich promoters because why do you think people back Mukesh Ambani or Adani or Uday Kotak or any of these guys beyond a point? Is because when shit hits the fan and all money is dried out, if there's a promoter who can fund the business, I like
I
that
think
con- it was such a fucking different point of view compared to anyone else.
No, I think it's a very. The other part is when you start thinking for thriving versus survival, that thought process on how you run the business changes completely. So a thriving thought process is needed for maybe a larger business, and for while growing to, I think you should have a survival mindset.
It sucks a lot. I think it sucks a lot out of founders. I see founders. Thankfully, both of you are, you're physically very, but it like people who don't take care of themselves, they deteriorate physically very quickly compared to, let's say, a normal job.
मेरे साथ उल्टा है बॉस. If I do not spend that 1 hour every morning with myself, I think मैं इतना काम भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा. मतलब अगर हर रोज सुबह उठ के अपने आप को टाइम नहीं दूंगा, so it's more of an addiction.
It's a great addiction, by the way.
In India, I feel we forget why we do it. Our relationship with money is very weird. Like I was discussing this with my friend. I won't take this example because I don't want to put him on the spot. But for a lot of important things also, people are not willing to spend.
Yeah.
And they are very rich and they're not willing to spend very little. And I keep wondering, then why?
point,
What's the point of, like, why are you doing this? Right?
मुझे तो आज तक नहीं समझ. I'm that type of a friend where I just spread about. Part of it is how I've grown up and.
No, it's obviously all of that only.
Haan.
But I think in like our hard-on of passing down parampara and wealth and generational wealth is very high in India. So we love to hoard and save so that our kids can do it, and then family name keeps increasing.
Correct, but maybe you have that muscle. But when you are with 3 other people in the same, everyone might not have the same muscle.
Yeah.
So you also start then worrying about, which you guys will also at some point, that for example,
I'm on the bad
for example, like let's say Shark Tank. अब जिसका बच्चा स्कूल में जा रहा है उसको पॉपुलैरिटी भी मिल रही है. हम व्यापारी हैं, मतलब फाउंडर व्यापारी, बिजनेस पीपल. बिजनेस विल वर्क इन साइकिल्स. उतना ज्यादा मतलब आदत हो जाती है कि जब वो साइकिल डाउन भी जाता है तो भी तो अपने आजू बाजू वालों को प्रोटेक्ट करने की ट्राई करता है ना, कि इन पे इम्पैक्ट नहीं आना चाहिए. आई थिंक सेम फॉर द सोसाइटी थिंग दैट यू ओके, यू विल बी एबल टू मैनेज. तुम्हारी प्रिपरेशन भी हुई है, मेंटल मसल बन गया है, बट यार वो बच्चे का तो नहीं बना है, बट आजू बाजू वालों का नहीं बना है. सो यू स्टार्ट वरिंग.
Look, there's a rainy day fund, and anyways, this is a very personal topic for most people. But I think people need to sit and like rethink their relationship with money.
I agree. I agree. I think हमको जो सिखाया गया है वो तो सही नहीं है. क्या सही है मुझे नहीं पता. But I'm in the journey.
There's no right answer, but I feel at least there should not be the answer which is not yours.
Yeah. You got
the amount of see, money is an interesting thing, right? There is always current situation, there is potential, and then there is aspiration, right? And then there is like a world, macro world, which is like putting variables up and down a lot. And most people, so that's where founders are different, right? Most people from India have been either born or have been raised by resource scarce mindset.
Correct.
कि दूध के लिए भी राशन की लाइन में खड़ा होना है. Our grandparents or parents would have actually done that.
Yeah.
So in that situation, you're never in the upside maximization game. You're always in the downside minimizing game.
Yeah.
Right? But now as a generation, we are getting into the upside maximization game. Now उसमें the game opens up a lot. तुम्हारे Instagram के influencers भी आए थे फिर उसमें कि तुम इतना करो, इस पे इतना डालो. And then, for example, right now, who's telling me that number of DMAT accounts have doubled? कुछ तो I think 5-6 crore बढ़ गए DMAT accounts in the last 3-4 years. और वो all those new investors are now going through their first bear cycle now. So SIPs बंद हो गया, investment बंद हो गया. So suddenly liquidities are going down, FIIs are pulling out. So suddenly people think, यार, the end of the world is near. And it's an impatient generation of people.
With the issues they pay.
And suddenly the whole thing about, मैं तो 12% साल का कमाऊंगा, etc. now gone for a toss. Shit, now what the fuck?
I think what used to happen is get rich quick schemes.
Yeah.
Before only through word of mouth.
Yeah.
Now there is mass distribution of that. And a lot of some finfluencers sell it.
Yeah. It's crazy.
And it is, look, everyone wants to get rich quick, including, obviously, I also wanted to. There's unfortunately doesn't happen.
Yeah. Yeah, I think if someone tells me this, that if I knew how hard it would have been to build this, there's no fucking way I would have done it. मैं नहीं करता यार, मेरे को पता ही नहीं था. I was so naive. हाँ, जिलेट को ले लेंगे, हम तो रेजर बना लेंगे, ये वो अमन जो बोलता है हम तो कर लेंगे. It's very nice to kind of give the, because that false confidence, sometimes feeling that मैं तो lucky हूँ ही, it propels you through situations that normal people would probably.
No, you have to be a little
Not-
crazy to think you can do something absurd, so you can do it.
I was telling one of my investors only that I think the opportunity that I'm sitting on is to create the next Aditya Birla Fashion or an Arvind. साला मेरे पास तो कोई बेस ही नहीं है ऐसा बात करने का, because ये, but वो हमेशा ऐसा लगता है, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर इट्स गोइंग टू बी, हम उसको थोड़ा रोमांटिसाइज कर देते हैं कि पता होता तो शायद नहीं करते, बट आई कैन गारंटी तेरे को पता होता या आज भी तेरे बिजनेस पे वैसा ही स्पॉट होगा, बट तू करेगा. आई थिंक इट्स द लाइक वी.
So good one. How do you? So you keep thinking from I am building the Aditya Birla at all points.
No, I just
Like how do you like?
I the पता
I keep thinking that next month and with, so 80% of the thinking is next month, maybe 10% is next year, and the other 10% is 5 years. But the ambition is always more internal than external. Like उसके जैसा तो ambition तो random है.
I'm saying that the ambition is from where you are. It always feels like कि ये तो
होगा ही नहीं.
होगा ही नहीं.
हाँ.
मैं कितने
But
बार सोच
तो आप जब उस टाइम सोच रहे थे कि ये 10 साल की जर्नी वापस, I'm telling you today are on to a journey which is as tough.
correct. If
जो
more.
जो आप 10 साल बाद ही रियलाइज करोगे,
क्या सोच
फिर आप बोलोगे कि ये 10
If
साल
I
पहले
knew,
थे.
so what he's trying to say is you don't know that the next 10 years is going to be tough. So we are like,
And then you'll be like,
I'll-
पहले पता होता लिस्टेड कंपनी चलाना इतना मुश्किल है तो मैं शायद
नहीं
चलाता ही नहीं. But you will attract those kind of tough problems. I mean that's our job.
जाऊँ. I remember like मेरे को लगता था कि यार महीने का 1 करोड़ हो जाए. महीने का 1 करोड़ हो जाए. That's it. Then we have arrived.
oh, I
And it felt so far away when you were doing like 10 lakhs a month. It felt
So I always have felt like I've arrived, okay? And I'm going to be honest. And I think this is where personal scarcity, I think, whatever, you guys are at richer families and not taking anything away. But I remember we had reached 3 lakh a month. And at that point, we were 3 of us at that point. And we thought, and I did the math, that this will get us this much salary per month.
Amazing.
And I was like, I'm done. This is great.
Nah.
So at all points, I have always felt like I've arrived. And
it's a great place to be also by the way.
Yeah, man, I wish I was there. I'm the opposite. यार. मेरे को तो साला पहुंचने के बाद भी ना.
look, your goalposts keep shifting. Huh? There's no doubt.
Yeah, but I see there's a clear like the security that he has.
Dude, this is all better than what it used to be. So it's all great. Like, it's all.
I look up
Like
to it.
that's what people say. Right? If someone had told me that I will be at this number at this time,
Yeah.
would I have taken it? Like eyes closed.
Yeah, it's a dream run.
It's,
It's a dream. I don't think any one of us imagined.
I feel like if you imagine this, then you are probably fooling yourself also.
Possibly. At what point will you say, okay, now this is good to hand over to someone else? Like I have taken it to where the max I could take it to. What would that be in number?
One, so I don't think my own ego will ever say this is where I can take it to. I'm gonna be like, no, but I'll tell you what, right? I've thought about this. There are always portions of the business where I'm like, I think someone else can now take this better than me, and I will hand that part over because you still want to do something. Let's say if it's not in shaving, you may want to do something philanthropy, or you may want to do something in whatever, like even writing books. But the platform that you've created, this is the best platform that you can get. So if I want to start a new business, I will do it with this current infrastructure and I'll probably hand something over.
Yeah.
So the way I look at it is
it's a good point.
like there's no end game for me because this is now the machine that this is really powerful and I will use this influence and firepower.
I think when you
So much soft power, no, actually.
That's a lot.
It's a lot of soft power beyond just the
And like, you know, even like having ready accounts, HR, you remember how it's a lot of work to set all of this up. You're not going to do it again. You don't wish to do it again, at least. So then you will, whatever your new ambition is, can be within this ecosystem.
Gambit. What about you, Yogesh?
Till the time I'm able to make products, I'm gonna keep doing this. I think if you take me away from the product is when I lose interest in everything else.
This guy loves product.
Yeah, I think jab tak, so that's where I mean, at least I think, I mean, I might be lying to myself, I don't know. But the real high for me is to keep solving for product.
I like this question. The real high for you is to solve for products. What is the real high for you?
The real high for me is I get a lot of joy with scale. So when he says things like 90 lakh underwear sold in a year, it blows my brain. Like it's the happiest I can feel from an empathy, like from being in a
Got
shoes.
it. Oh.
So for us, we're tracking how many products we sell a month, right? We are in the 15 lakh products, like from a 20 rupee razor to a 4,000 rupee trimmer to a 1 rupee blade. We're in the 15 lakh per month. It's large. I'm like 15 lakh. Like we do 2.5 lakh razor and shaving kits to Taj hotels a month.
It's crazy.
I'm like, boss, 2.5 lakh लोग ताज में हर महीने मेरा प्रोडक्ट शेविंग के लिए यूज करता है. I get joy by that. What's the unit economics of that? Is it scalable? वो सब secondary है. मेरे को scale से बहुत मजा आता है.
Influence in a way. Nice.
No,
What about you?
For me, I think it is doing things well. I just like doing things well. And the
Are
joy
you
is...
a perfectionist kind of?
No. The perfectionist, I think, is a very weird term because wo to, it never reaches there, but just doing it well.
define a little bit doing it.
So I'll let's just take like cricket, right? Like or whatever sport you want to take. I just like going there and batting well or bowling well or fielding well. Just you have life in you and using that to do something well is what I enjoy. It's not about the winning or losing. It's about just showing up.
You cannot be absolutely dispassionate about the outcome also.
The outcome is, I think, a measurement of how well you've done it. So if all the time there are bad outcomes and you are just doing it poorly, then it breaks.
Dhoni says the same thing, right? It's all about the process. Winning is a result.
I'll give you guys a excellent example. My dad's turning 65 soon. Boss, aaj bhi, so Bombay, he just came and he had to do some work in office. The granddaughter ko milne aaye the, but he's still so passionate about his work. He said, I have to go. I'm going to come early next time. His brain is still ticking and that's keeping him sharp. So I think all of us have to be extremely grateful कि बॉस हमको जो प्रॉब्लम दिमाग कंटिन्यूस ये लाइक यू आर सॉल्विंग अ टफर प्रॉब्लम आई थिंक व्हाट वुड बी वर्स इज आई एम सॉल्विंग अ same problem or a similar problem or the intensity of that solving reduces. I see it with my eyes every day. That passion for work, it keeps you young, it keeps you going, it makes you enjoy those small.
I'm going to also call it out that it can do both.
I'm doing it well, right? I think about like my dad. So my mom and dad side, my mom is a yoga teacher. He's like a yoga enthusiast, but he's not a teacher, my dad. So he's like her. He's the one who shows the asana on him on a Zoom screen, and like she has students on the other side of the screen, right? And he's a very enthu, like kind of assistant. And they started in COVID as a way to stay busy and fit, but it's continued like this for 3 days a week. They do a Zoom yoga class, free of cost for friends and family, and anyone who wants to join. Okay. Now my dad decided that like she had the whole, this is how we're going to do it, blah. He made then an Excel sheet of all the participants, all the asanas, and how well they do it. And every day for 45 minutes after the class gets done, he would fill that up.
Wow, dude.
Now he has like this whole amount of data on everyone.
And how they've improved.
How they've improved, who's been regular, kaun se asan ko acha kar raha hai over a period of 6 months, 12 months. And this is all about doing it well.
Yeah.
And that it's a work ethic, doing it well with zero financial reward. Possibly there's brownie points from a few people and my mom, which is great motivation. But I see that like muscle we used everywhere with him. Now he does my taxes, US taxes, India taxes. Boss, wo Excel sheet itna complex, and I'm like,
so this is something that I tell the team all the time, that the ability to do well is actually a muscle. And that's again the same thing which I say. I think like where people lie to themselves is a lot of like younger people, right, who start, they may be like, this is not the job I want, but when I get the job I want, I'll slay. That's the lie. If you don't know how to actually slay, That's their language. But if you don't know how to win, you won't like one day decide now I will win. It just doesn't happen. You can't just come to the pitch and like.
And whatever you're doing, like our caretaker right now at home, he reads, he writes poems. He's in a circumstance right now where at the age of 22, he has to be a caretaker of a home. It's very clear that success for him is not doing this job for the next 40 years. There are some people who like to do this and then go on to become supervisors and manage corporate guest houses. That is not the path for him. He wants to get into digital marketing. I said, good. Your circumstances give you this. But I want to see work ethic in the way you do your job, which is currently the job you have to do, which is not the job you will have to do later on. But if you show work ethic now, boss, the world will fucking back you.
Yeah.
And opportunities will fucking open up. But it is what it is. It is what it is. And everyone, like, studying, there are some subjects in school you don't like studying.
No, let's not get into school. I was.
It's a rite of passage, yaar. Like, dude, you guys are both like gym. Who the fuck likes going to a gym? No, I think like the process. I think the outcome is what you enjoy the most. Because you can play with GI and so on, right? That's
No, I think I don't know. I mean, now I enjoy it a lot, but I'm sure early days were
Before you were to impress girls. Understood, of course. Which guy doesn't go through that phase in life?
Oh, I agree.
Yeah.
This is a fantastic conversation, Vedang and Yogesh. I'm so glad you guys were individually like, I want to do this with the other person. And kudos to you for building such insane businesses at scale, loved, product, brand, assortment, channel, quick commerce, own store. The humility and calm that you both display in the last two hours of conversation is, I think, what makes businesses survive the length of clearly what might be ups and downs and cycles in the world of your industry. But I think for me, it has been just a fascinating experience to just sit across and see the way you think, because so much to learn for me and everyone watching as well. And your generosity and coming and gracing the barbershop is, I cannot be more good.
No, I'll tell you, I was usually very anti-podcast. कि बस नया क्या बताएंगे हम? But then someone told me, Jivraj, he said that a lot of people would sort of look up to you and might have a moment. And I said, but वो तो बहुत लोग पहले से ही करते हैं. But then I thought about it that, a lot of your users, your listeners might relate to me and my story, which is, very average, tier 2, non sort of pedigreed guy, but इसने भी निकाल लिया. And I think 2-5 लोगों को सुन के अगर वो confidence आ जाए कि, which is I think what you started this for.
Yeah.
And I think all of us have different personas, जिसमें से कोई 5 लोग मुझसे connect होंगे, कोई 5 लोग तुझसे connect होंगे. And that's when I thought कि यार सब लोग तो दे रहे हैं, but there might be a cohort of people that's more inspired by your journey versus someone else's journey. So I hope tier 2 non-metro average students listening to this, it's the way the world rates you in the beginning part, but nikal jata hai boss. I think you have to have a strong will.
I find it very weird. It's almost imposter syndrome to try and inspire someone. So that's why I don't try to talk about story and all as much.
पर पता है वेदांत क्या होता है, मैं देखता हूँ यार लोगों को like सूरत में, मतलब there's a lot of like most of the success stories and I've also been part of it. I was that guy. और जब मैं जाके देखता था कि फाउंडर अच्छा ये तो IIM से पढ़ा हुआ है, अच्छा ये तो IIT से पढ़ा हुआ है, और मुझे लगता था कि यार ये नहीं होगा ना तो कुछ एक डिसएडवांटेज है मेरा, which is like most of the India is that, ना मतलब ये तो बहुत कम. So I have gone through that phase and I believe that a lot of people might still be thinking like that कि यार अगर starting में नहीं निकाला अपनी जर्नी, अपनी लाइफ की जर्नी में, तो intimidate हो जाएंगे. And that's the simple message कि बस कोई मतलब there are enough and more examples जहाँ पे pure sheer focus and the ability to the hunger will get you there. So that's what I thought कि यार एक interesting.
आप दोनों के इसमें ना, लेकिन like clarity of thought because of being so immersed in the business is very 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 palpable. Like there are like it's very obvious that you are not that you're not just off the block right now. It's very clear that you've been in this for years.
Yeah,
And that's why you're able to do. Otherwise, वो नहीं है. So I think for if even one person who's watching this, after watching this feels that I can actually do it, and this is how I want to immerse myself in this business that I want to start, this brand I want to start, this whatever I want to do, right? I think we would have done a good job. I think it's 2 hours well spent for the 3 of us.
And
Yeah, na? Thank you so much, Yogesh, Vedant. Thank you so much for coming.